Hey, what is up, my beautiful campers? Today, I am very excited for today's video because we are going to be trying a bunch of weird that I found at Dollar Tree. I scoured the aisles and I was like, I mainly want to get sweet stuff. Like today I wanted to get mainly sweet. I feel like we always go very savory with our things, so I was like, let me go a little bit sweeter with things. I got a bunch of really weird treats. Okay, I got a lot of weird little treats, and we also got 4 of those like water powder things, and we're gonna be tasting these in between as well. So let's just get into it. Okay, so we got these little treats, little sweets. I found these Swedish fish tails. They're like a double Swedish fish, and I've never had that before. It says that there's a blue raspberry, strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, and a raspberry mango. So I'm very excited to try these. I love Swedish fish, and I don't know, it just seems very interesting to me that they decided to do a little havsers. This one is the raspberry and mango. Mm. Oh, I like that. Mm. They did really good on that mango flavor, girl. On the raspberry mango. And this one's watermelon pineapple. Mm. I feel like I taste the watermelon a little bit more than the pineapple. Mm. But the pineapple is definitely there. Ooh. Oh, that one's really good. Oh my god, this is like really good. These are like really good combinations. Wait, hold up. I want to get a blue raspberry one. There you go. Blue raspberry and strawberry. That one's an okay combination. I think my absolute favorite would probably have to be the watermelon pineapple. That one I could taste both in different parts of my mouth, and it was like really good. I really like the watermelon pineapple in this. Okay, the other 2 things that I got these Haribo Harry Potter limited edition gummies, girl. Because I read the flavors and I was like, cotton candy. I was like, I love cotton candy. The enhanced Ron and Scabbers mix with flavors of cotton candy, Coca-Cola, sweet apple, cherry, lemon sherbet, and caramel. That is a very intriguing and kind of weird set list of flavors, but I'm interested. I'm intrigued. I really want to try cotton candy first, so we're gonna go for a blue one because I think these are the cotton candy, considering like the color coordination of it all, you know. Hopefully. Oh my god, these are hard. I'll be honest, that doesn't really taste like cotton candy, and it's also very hard to chew. I think this one's caramel. Oh, it has a spongy bottom, but also hard to chew. I can't tell the flavors, girl. I'm gonna be so dead ass. I'm assuming this is Coca-Cola. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Maybe I'm looking at it wrong. I have no idea what this is supposed to be. These are so hard. They must be old. It does say limited edition, but limited edition from when? It has a whole other year in its life, though. I don't know. They all kind of have the same funk. Like, they all have, like, the same weird funk taste. I didn't like that. Now, we're gonna try the Tic Tac Chewy. Listen, I didn't say the treats were gonna
My god, what? Did you see
oh my
that?
god. I said they were weird. Have you ever seen Chewy Tic Tacs? I've never seen Chewy Tic Tacs. Have you ever been a witness of Chewy Tic Tacs? I always chew on my Tic Tacs, but I never knew that there was chewy ones. Flavors we have in here are cherry, lemon, orange, apple, and grape. This is a lemon. Oh, I like that. These are just quirky Squiddles. Squiddles. These are just quirky Skittles. These taste good. It's like if you asked your mom for Skittles and she got you these, like you wouldn't even be that mad. Like this actually hits. I like this. They have no minching effect though. 0. One of our waters. We were just talking about Skittles, so might as well do Skittles Tropical Punch. It's a very cute package though. Like, you have to admit, they did really, really cute with their packaging. Super cute. We love to see it. They should give these out for Pride. That would be such a slay. You know? Ooh. Turning the water blue. That's a fun color. Tropical blue. Tropical. Wait, what? Tropical punch. Tropical punch. Skittles. You taste a lot of a flavor you don't want to taste. I don't know if it's the fake sugar or what, but it makes it have this specific taste that you do not want to be tasting, bro. It's like too much orange or something. Like, there's just too much of a flavor that you just do not want a lot of. And I feel like there's just too much of like an orange flavor or like a yellow flavor. Like, it could be lemon or lime or something. I don't know. It's just too much of a flavor that you do not want. And I don't like what this tastes like. I don't like that this kind of tastes like, I'm not saying it tastes like lemon because it doesn't taste like lemon, but it's just like, you know what I mean? Like, the flavor that I am tasting in my mouth is not blue. It's not fucking blue. And I think that's what I don't like, is that it's not blue. Like, I'm not tasting a blue taste. This is not blue. This doesn't taste blue. So I'm not a big fan of the color. I don't, they say you eat with your eyes, and I'm eating with my eyes right now, and I'm not messing with this at all. So I don't like this one at all. I don't know. It just does not taste blue. It doesn't taste blue. I don't know how else to explain it. It just does not taste blue. Call me crazy. It does not taste blue. Starburst. We'll do Starburst strawberry. This, I really doubt is going to be that ooky spooky. Mixy mixy. Let's try this one. This one is the Sun-Kissed strawberry. Okay, I like that. That does taste like a soda without the fizz. But it's not gross. Like, it doesn't taste gross. It's not like a nasty... There's a spider. You see the spider, buddy? But yeah, this one is it's okay. Nothing to write home about. But it does taste like the soda. It does taste indeed like the soda. We have sweets, girl. These are gonna be more in like your chocolatey type of vibe. Okay, I want to end with these because these intrigue me, because what in the world is that? You know what I mean? We're gonna try the brownie brittle. We're gonna try the brownie brittle first. I've had brownie brittle before, so I'm gonna be so honest right now. This is more of like me just taste testing this brand because I've never had this brand. But I've definitely had brownie brittle before, girl, and it's really good. Okay, it's really good. Like, if you love crunchy chocolate, brownie brittle is for you. Look at that. But yeah, if you have a thing for crunchy chocolate, girl, like if you have a thing for crunchy chocolatey things, brownie brittle is for you. Now we're gonna try the peanut chews. I saw these when I was walking out. I was like, you know what? Add that to the bill, please. Because I was like, peanut chews. Peanut chews. I don't know. It just looked intriguing. She looked interesting. I'm intrigued. Look at her. It is softer than I imagined. These are from the World War IIs. Oh my god. Oh no, World War One. It's a World War One ration bar? It's a ration bar. Girl, why the fuck are they selling ration bars at the Dollar Tree? What the fuck? It is low-key good though. It's like, look. I should have put on my mic. Not me wearing my mic for the makeup video, not for this one. What is wrong with me? So, back to what I needed to say, girl. I'm sorry for not bringing out the mic earlier. I'm not used to having mics, girl, so I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. The pina colada with the cake, because I love me a little glass of milk with my, with my cake, girl. Love me a little glass of milk, but we're gonna have the pina colada drink mix by Margaritaville. Ah, I did not know this was Margaritaville, girl. Rip Jimmy Buffett, unless he was horrible. That may he, well, I don't know. I don't know how he was as a human being, but hopefully he was okay. And he rests with as many margaritas as he'd like. Okay. Okay. Looks like it's snowing. Okay. Shaky, shaky. Ooh, I kind of like that. Ooh, I'm a fan. If you like pina coladas, brown, brown, getting caught in the rain, brown, brown. We're finally gonna try the Oreo cakesters. We still have one more thing after this, but we're gonna try these Oreo cakesters in the flavor peanut butter flavor creme. Okay, here she is, and all her Oreo cakester glory. That's good. It's reminiscent of a pinguino or of like a cupcake from Hostess or something. I'm not really getting peanut butter from this. The peanut butter could definitely be a little bit more pronounced, but the cake is really good. Two of the last things. The Starburst all pink strawberry drink mix. I got two strawberry mixes, girl. What the hell is wrong with me? You know, this is like a different type of strawberry. Like, this is like a very creamy type of strawberry. So I wanted to see what she was all about. Honestly, nobody has been able to beat the Skittles packaging. The Skittles packaging was probably the cutest. Ooh, this one's like a baby pink. Yeah, it looks like flesh. Let's taste. This definitely tastes different from this, and I prefer this over this. I think the Starburst pink strawberry is more appetizing to me than the Sun-Kissed strawberry, but that's just me, okay? Okay, last thing we're gonna try. I remember trying one of these pickles a long time ago, and I think it was a hot and spicy one. I decided sour, right? I feel like that's like the step below spicy. So I was like, you know what? We'll try a sour pickle. It's a Van Holten sour pickle in a bag. Um, I don't know how I feel about this, but here we go. Here goes nothing. Ooh, it definitely smells sour. Girl, it's so wrinkly. Ugh, how old is she? Oh my god, they're not kidding about the sour. Oh, oh, oh god. Oh my god, that's gonna hurt the stomach later. I don't really like this. Oh my god. It's like you want to eat it again because it's such a crazy experience. But like it hurts, so like you don't want to have to do it again actually. The brownie brittle is my absolute favorite. I love brownie brittle. The cakesters honestly come in close second. And I would say the Swedish fish. The Swedish fish come in third. But yeah, I don't know. Everything was pretty tasty. This is the only thing that I know this is gonna hurt my. This is gonna be bubble guts. Like my tummy is gonna be hurting in like 2 minutes. Um, but yeah, I don't know. That's everything that I got from Dollar Tree. I hope this was interesting for you to watch, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Um, thank you to Dollar Tree for being alive and well, and being here. I guess. I do miss the 99-cent store a lot, but oh well. I guess you're here. Anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video with me. Or I did it, I experienced it, but you watched it. You know what I mean, girl. Girl, one too many. Um, anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Okay, have a great, beautiful day /week/month, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Love you guys.